Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to go ahead and change the size of your paper. So the way that you change the size of your paper is by going over to where it says Sheet 1, and this is where you can edit the sheet. Okay, so I'm going to right click on that icon. I'm going to go down to where it says Edit Sheet, and I'm going to click Edit Sheet. In here I can change the name of the sheet. One of the nice things about changing the name of the sheet is if you're working with multiple sheets, this will help you organize which sheet has what on it. For our purpose, I don't have a reason to change it, so I'm going to leave it the same. Down here is the size. So you can see the size for the D size is 22 by 34. You'll notice that that's not a normal sheet of paper. That's a much larger sheet of paper. So if you were to try to print something out on this, on a normal sheet of paper, it's going to look really funny. So you don't want to be doing that. You want to change the size. And so if you're working with a regular size sheet of paper, you're going to click and you're going to select A. And A, when you click that, you'll find that it is 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. And that is your regular printer paper. So if you're going to print this out, you're going to want to use size A. If your teacher has a different size sheet of paper, or if you have a different purpose, you might not end up using size A. They'll probably direct you on what to use. But just know, if you don't know what each of these letters are, you can always do a custom size. So if I click on custom size in inches, I can just type in what I want. An 8.5 by 11, that's also going to get me a regular printer paper. But you can also do it in millimeters if you don't know what it is in inches. So you have a lot of options here. I'm just going to go ahead and remain it on A. Note too, before I hit OK, that you have the option to change it from portrait to landscape. I'm just going to leave it in landscape, but know that that's an option as well. When you hit OK, that is going to go ahead and it's going to change the size of your sheet of paper.